Welcome back to the Nerd Garage. So today I'm going to put up another wall control panel up on this wall above my other workbench because I got a couple things for May the 4th that need to be displayed. So we're going to put up another pegboard. Let's get to it. Alright, so it's clear on 7.5 inches from the edge of the workbench to the wall control panel on each side. I'm going to go right up on the wall and we're going to have a good time. I took down the Corvette sign, I don't know why, because I thought it was going to be a lot bigger, but I miscalculated that one. So that one's going to go right back up after this is on. Who's that vacuum handy? Voila! It's done. It was so hard. Not really. So yeah, I'm gonna put the Corvette thing back on and then put the shelf on and let's see if I can get the display going. And yes, I do like creamer in my coffee because I drink some foo-foo coffee sometimes. Oh well. Well, I guess we can do that. Well, that looks cool.